ALU front, ultra slimline sliding door. High-duty profile frame, adaptable to large size openings. Slim interlock designs flexibly meeting diverse project needs. Embedded high ceiling frame leaf structure with options for fully hidden light interlock or exposed light interlock. Diversified track solutions for full scenario applications. 65mm high track floor to ceiling window. 50mm low track passage door. 50mm low track barrier free. 40mm standard track passage door. High watertight, linear track and easy maintenance design. Heavy-duty pulley system and hardware balancing, load bearing and safety. The new generation hardware integrates multi-point interlock locks, enhancing anti-theft performance through multi-lock point linkage. Optional side hardware for interlocks achieves complete hiding of the light interlock profile. Diversified opening modes and additional features. Supports 3-rail design with insect screens. Integrate glass guardrails and folding insect screens. Supports opposite opening, corner linkage and electrical control expansion. ALU front, ultra slimline sliding door.